Hello, we are at 1438 42nd Avenue. We are out in the outer Sunset, and this is 42nd Avenue at Judah. So if you are somebody who takes public transportation, very convenient to be in Judah MUNI line. Okay, coming in the entry gate here, have a covered entryway. Here is the front door of the house. So right when you come in, it's got a short set of stairs. Right at the top of the stairs, got a coat closet. We'll start with the kitchen. Okay, gas range. There's a portable dishwasher there. That was left by the prior tenant. Somebody can use it if they want to, or it can go away. Likewise with that microwave. So the fridge and the stove come from the landlord, but these two appliances were left and they're in good condition, so I thought somebody might want to use them. Okay, we've got original tile backsplash here, white cabinets, linoleum floor. Got some nice built-in cabinets here. And a little pantry. Next we have the formal dining room. Hardwood floors throughout this house with the exception of the kitchen and bathroom. Okay, formal dining opens to the living room. Nice and decorative fireplace. Pretty to look at, but it does not function. All right, and these windows are facing west in terms of exposure. Okay, so when you come back into the hallway, got a nice large bathroom, more original tile, separate tub and shower. Okay, there's the sink and lots of cabinet space for towels and toiletries and all that. Hi, everybody. Here is an additional linen closet out in the hallway. Okay, got two bedrooms side by side. We'll start with the larger of the two. You could do a king size bed in here, no problem. Okay, it's got a nice large closet. Shelving up top. Incidentally, there's the thermostat. It's a gas forced air heating system. Okay, and then here's bedroom number two, smaller of the two bedrooms. I think you could do queen size bed up to a queen size bed in here. And then here's the closet for that one. Shoe rack down there and some shelves up top. This bedroom also has one way to get out to the backyard. There is another way to get to the backyard from the garage, which we'll see here in a minute. Okay, so here's the deck. Runs the whole back of the house, which is nice. And then we've got an unlandscaped yard here. And because it is the outer Sunset, please note that the soil is very sandy here. So I think for those of you who do have green thumbs, it's going to be a lot of potted plants because very, very, very sandy soil here. All right, so coming back through the house, I'll show you how to get into the garage. And there's also a bonus room down here that could be used for a whole variety of things. So right when you step down into the garage area, there's this little semi-finished space. Prior tenants in the past have used this for an exercise room. There's been a home office down here. There's been a music room down here. So, you know, pretty versatile, but like open to the garage, okay? And then the garage itself has a proper little workbench. Got some built-in shelves. 2-car tandem parking if you got the right size cars, but I think you'd have to have 2 really enormous cars for it to be too small. All right, there's our furnace, hot water tank, washer dryer hookups here. Tenants do need to provide their own machines, and they have to be a certain kind of machine called a ventless machine. Okay, so just heads up about that. Got a storage closet here. All right. Miscellaneous gardening, whatnots. Okay, and then this is the other way out to the backyard. So we're underneath that deck that we came out onto from the back bedroom, okay? Fenced in back here. So you got a patio below and the deck above. And there is a set of stairs here that you can get up to that deck. All right, so that is a quick look at the house. Please don't apply based on the video alone. We would want you to come check it out in person and doing showings by appointment, okay? So back out, give you a street view, and then we'll sign off. Okay. That's Judah there at that intersection. 1438 42nd Avenue. Thanks for watching.